On the cusp of the light changing, let us notice, pause and give thanks. Let us welcome the solstice in the depths of this dark midwinter. In the Irish language, solstice is Grian stad an Gaeilge, which means the sun stands in the sky. The solstice is the still point of the sun. It is the moment of the season's threshold crossing. Breathe into this threshold place now in your body. The solstice that was so significant for our ancestors, who marks the returning of light with such extraordinary beauty in place of wonder and mystery. The passage tomb at Newgrange was built so that it aligns on the very morning of the shortest day of the year and the longest night. There in the darkened passage, as the sun rises, a single beam of light slowly makes its way down the dark passage tomb into the inner chamber, filling the space with light.